Haino hai bike by Laharpatiwi Thwichacharu Thwichacharu ke Sakdukho Mankha Sikla Khoroknwi Patimong Dharmanagar Koila Shahar Road Montola Amchayo Shoi Mankha Sakdukho manai Khoroksa Sikla nimung Sukanto Tati tei Khoroksa Shyam Tati Haino hai motorcycle by Laharpatiwi Thwichacharu Sakdukho Mankha Boroni kami Odipur Bukhastini Haflong Biresh Parawahni Shoi Mankha Koktomani Bishingti Shoi Mankha o Sikla Khoroknwi TR05C7443 number ni motorcycle by Dharmanagani Koila Shahar Lamati Klayai Nogo Thana Bagai Lamr Laimani Montola Amsio Shokpaikino motorcycle Yafawa Naragmaya Angi Thanka motorcycle Chalognai Abuniagulono Laharpatiwi Sakdukho Mankha motorcycle Tongnai Khoroknwi Ganagini tongnai lukuroknugui logi horbothnai brindia rokno koktomaro hore horbothnai brindia rok phaika te o Sakdukho manai Sikla khoroknwi notolangi thaka Dharmanagar hangkor sakhamnogo tabok arono saknai jogui tongo Sakdukho manai o Sikla khoroknwi
কৈলাসরে মনতলা এলাকা একটা অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট হয় আমরা গাড়ি একটা বাইক TR05C7443 এই নম্বরে বাইকটি সেলফ অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট করছে এতে দুইজন লোক পাইছি তারা একজন নাম শ্যাম তাঁতি 19 বছর আর একজন নাম সুশান্ত তাঁতি 19 বছর তাদের বাড়ি পিরোজপাড়া হাফলং তাদের ধর্মনগর হসপিটাল অপশন দিয়ে দিচ্ছি আমরা আমাদের স্বাভাবিক অবস্থায় কেমন আছে এটা রক্তাক্ত অবস্থায় আছে মাথা ব্যথা
ওরা কি বেশি ইনজুর্ড হয়েছে
ইনজুর্ড হয়েছে মাথা
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে
Khulumka hasani lukurangno nogni bagai belekino kaham sep tubi feka St Joseph Hospital West Nowabadi Amtali Agartala West Tripura hasani fatara thaya karanyo hayungber ni Sakduk naikani sep nahari mano belekino rangkisha baino o hospital lo sarbrumno general OPD wo Sakduk naijago o hospital lo x-ray ki suti cough test klayani bagai namoshak shepshap tongo te test khlai rijago o hospital lo hatibar thagino eba every week no kisasuk chongjak shalo buirongni bemuk naikrung eba gynecologist surgery urology tei bukung khunjo totra naikrung doctor wo phai Sakduk naifeyo tei abashimia o St Joseph Hospital lo talburum na chennai specialist doctor of phai orthopedic neurology tei urology bemarogno phai naifeyo abno karibo o hospital lo latest technology bai dalbidal bemarogni operation facility bo tongo tei separate AC non AC room nawi Sakduk najugni sebo manthogo hake taita moleri tongsinai phaidi kaham hayong bemni Sakduk sebmana nimusung khake eba tebashina musung khake krungdi tolawo eba khamao roja kokduk number 7085256702 tekise kokduk number 9612998562
St. Joseph's Hospital, Agartala is a growing hospital with advanced facilities. The hospital started with minimum facilities in 2015, and from this humble beginning, over past 10 years, it is slowly grown to 20-bedded hospital, providing quality care to all sections of people at affordable cost. We provide best quality care to the patients. Our focus is to give holistic care to all who enter here with compassion and love. OPD facilities. General OPD Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Surgical OPD Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Gynec OPD Saturday 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Ortho and Uro Specialist OPD monthly once. ENT OPD on call. Cancer OPD every month second Tuesday. We have inpatient facilities both for male and female and special rooms with AC and non-AC. OT facilities with post-operative ward and ICU care. Diagnostic facilities available in our hospital digital X-ray, ECG, and ultrasonography. And all types of blood investigations and urine tests are done here.
Khulumkha St. Joseph Hospital Agartala Omo Kaisa Kaham Hospital Oro Kaham treatment ungo operation facilities rok tongo every month Chennai ni specialist doctor hayo treatment khaipayo Kubuni Hospital Lokin Sulai Oro Kisha Rangbaino Kaham treatment ungo all types of investigation blood test X-ray scan ungo 24-hour doctor facilities tongo Taibo kaham kai saimanna ni bagai tin hospital of hai visit khalaimano hambai